Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, design lovers. Car sparkles today, we're drooling over one of the most stunning comebacks in car history, the 2026 Karmann Ghia. This isn't just a retro reboot, it's a jaw-dropping electric reimagining of the classic that'll make your heart race faster than its 0 to 60 time. Stick around because this beauty's curves hide some crazy tech. Let's geek out. The 2026 Karmann Ghia represents a breathtaking renaissance of one of automotive history's most beloved designs, reimagined for the electric age with show-stopping aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. This isn't merely a nostalgic tribute, it's a radical redefinition of what a modern Grand Tourer can be, blending the timeless curves of the original 1950s icon with space-age engineering. From the moment you first lay eyes on its fluid silhouette, you'll recognize this as something extraordinary, a car that honors its heritage while charging boldly into the future. At the heart of the new Ghia's appeal is its sculptural bodywork, which appears to have been shaped by wind itself. Designers have preserved the classic fastback profile that made the original legendary, but reinterpreted it with contemporary proportions. The front end features a dramatic yet minimalist grille-less face necessary for its EV powertrain cooling, framed by razor-thin LED lighting strips that seem to float within crystal-clear polycarbonate housings. These flow seamlessly into the wheel arches, which house massive 21-inch forged aluminum wheels with active aero discs that automatically adjust for optimal airflow. The most striking visual element is the car's liquid metal paint option, a proprietary nano-coating that shifts hues subtly depending on viewing angle and lighting conditions, creating the illusion that the entire vehicle is in motion even when stationary. Beneath its sensual exterior lies an equally impressive technical foundation. The 2026 Ghia rides on Volkswagen Group's advanced MEB-Evo platform, specially modified for performance applications. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system produces a combined 536 horsepower and 502 pound-feet of torque, launching the car from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. The 102 kWh battery pack provides an estimated 380 miles of range while supporting 350 kilowatts ultra-fast charging, capable of adding 200 miles in under 15 minutes. Engineers have focused extensively on driving dynamics, equipping the Ghia with rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and an adaptive air suspension system that can lower the car by nearly an inch at highway speeds for improved aerodynamics. The interior represents a masterclass in modern minimalist luxury. Unlike the sparse cabins of classic Ghias, this iteration wraps occupants in sustainable luxury materials including vegan leather alternatives derived from mushrooms and recycled ocean plastics. The dashboard appears as a single floating element housing an ultra-wide OLED display that curves gently around the driver. This digital horizon interface can transform from a focused driver-centric layout to a relaxed entertainment configuration when in autonomous mode. Traditional knobs and switches have been replaced by haptic touch surfaces with force feedback, while the steering wheel features capacitive touch zones that glow softly to indicate function availability. Perhaps the most innovative touch is the emotional response system, an AI that learns your preferences and can automatically adjust everything from seat massage patterns to ambient lighting colors based on your mood, detected through biometric sensors in the steering wheel. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the Ghia's selectable personality profiles. Grand Tourer mode softens the suspension and prioritizes range, while Spirito tightens everything up for backroad carving. There's even a Classic mode that subtly alters the throttle mapping and adds an authentic air-cooled engine soundtrack, piped through the audio system, for those who want to pretend they're piloting an original. The sound engineering goes beyond gimmickry. Acoustic specialists have created frequency profiles that actually enhance the driving experience, with the system generating subtle auditory cues that help drivers better sense speed and traction limits. Technology extends to safety with an array of advanced systems. The Ghia debuts Volkswagen's new panoramic vision, a combination of lidar, radar and cameras that creates a real-time 3D model of the car's surroundings, projecting critical alerts as holographic imagery onto the windshield. The car can autonomously avoid collisions even at high speeds, and features an emergency system that can automatically pull over and call for help if it detects the driver is incapacitated. For security, there's facial recognition entry and a digital valet feature that allows remote monitoring via smartphone. Production will be extremely limited, with each vehicle receiving individual attention at a dedicated facility in Germany. Buyers can select from 3 curated specification tiers or opt for a full bespoke program that includes everything from custom-matched paint colors to personalized interior embroidery. Early estimates suggest pricing will start around $175,000, positioning the 2026 Karmann Ghia as both a technological showcase and an exclusive collector's item. This reincarnation proves some designs are truly timeless. The 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't just revive a classic nameplate, it reasserts the original's philosophy of affordable elegance while incorporating everything modern technology can offer. It's a car that appeals equally to the heart and the mind, offering emotional design married to rational engineering. For those who thought automotive design had lost its capacity to inspire awe, the new Ghia stands as irrefutable proof that magic still exists in the metal. And that is how you resurrect an icon. Exploding head, would you drive this futuristic Karmann Ghia, or do you prefer the original? Drop a heart in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing car reveals. Until next time, keep chasing those design dreams.